1. Splash out. Splash out means to spend a lot of money on something, especially something expensive or luxurious. Example, she splashed out on a new phone. 2. Scoop up. Scoop up means to quickly pick up or gather something, often using your hands or a tool. Example, the player scooped up the ball and threw it. 3. Call off. Call off means to cancel something. Example, they called off the meeting due to bad weather. 4. Fed up. Fed up means annoyed, frustrated, or bored with something after having enough of it. Example, I'm fed up with all this noise. 5. Come up with. Come up with means to think of or produce an idea, plan, or solution. Example, she came up with a brilliant idea for the project. 6. Figure out. Figure out means to understand, find an answer to, or solve something. Example, I can't figure out why my computer isn't working. 7. Look into. Look into means to investigate or examine something carefully. Example, the police are looking into the matter. 8. Do over. Do over means to do something again because it wasn't done well the first time. Example, I messed up the painting, so I had to do it over. 9. Chip in. Chip in means to contribute money, effort, or help towards something, especially in a group. Example, we all chipped in to buy a birthday gift for our friend. 10. Pop into. Pop into means to visit a place quickly or briefly, often without much planning. Example, I need to pop into the store to buy some milk.